two massive circles and put 100 boys in one and 100 girls in the other. And whichever circle has more people after 100 hours wins $500,000. But if you touch the red line, you're eliminated.
We got that! Oh, we got that!
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving either.
It is a team competition, boys versus girls. The challenge is officially beginning.
Whichever circle has the most people in 100 hours splits the $500,000 amongst their entire team.
Even if we leave, if our team wins, we get $5 grand. That's sick!
Do any of you want to leave? No. Nobody. Oh my gosh, two people just that way. What? Don't lie to us. Why'd you get out?
Sort of told my girlfriend I'd go out there tonight.
Can we get a simp chat? Simp.
How are you gonna keep all 100 girls in here?
I got a lot of in me, so like we're definitely gonna. I lost my horse.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of Provitamin from Pantene. Formula with Provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
You can't see it. You can look right through.
How are you gonna keep all 100 girls in here?
I got a lot of in me, so like we're definitely gonna
Brute force it!
Yeah.
Woo!
Are we really gonna stand here and lose to the girls?
If you left doing this, anyone would notice? No, probably not. Wait, oh my god.
No, you are one of us!
Take 2 steps back so they can't reach you. Wait, what? What is going on?
I can't lose my job over 5K. I just got it. I just
Oh,
graduated.
really? Hopefully you win $5 grand. Not looking likely. It's been 20 minutes and 5 boys have dropped and 0 girls. It is not looking good for the boys. And in case you're wondering, how will we know if someone steps on the red line? Well, we have over 65 different cameras covering every square inch of those 2 rooms. And a team of people monitoring everyone's every move. We will know if they're out. I have a present for you. He has no idea how to drive this thing. Everyone back up.
Oh my god, this is not like the Wii.
Watch out, he's not forklift certified! You all now have a way to poop. All right, goodbye.
And now he's drifting the forklift.
Now the boys have a place to poop and the girls have a place to poop. Good luck.
My cat is alone in my apartment. Food, water. She has food for like 3 days, but that's it. I did not take off work tomorrow. And I'm going to Chicago on Friday. I have a flight at 3 p.m.
So many people had jobs and family members expecting them later that night or the next day, which is exactly what I wanted to happen and why I didn't tell them anything about the challenge before we started.
You said you were leaving because you have a baby?
Baby.
Okay.
Someone has to leave because they have a baby. It's okay, it's okay. We both have to leave tomorrow anyway. Yeah, I'd like to still have a job after this, so.
One of the GoPros on the red lines caught something interesting. Gather around, my children. One of you got super close to the line and you need to decide if they're out, okay? Is that out or in?
He's in!
Let me play it a couple more seconds. He stepped on the line anyways, he's out.
A bunch of girls are leaving because they're gambling on their team winning without their help.
The girls were destroying the boys and now the boys are in the lead.
Literally another 4 just left.
$5,000 would change a lot of people's lives. It would change mine.
We're girls. We can do hard things.
Clearly we're not. We left.
20 girls are out.
It sounds like a lot of girls are getting out, so that's good news, because we don't have a clue how many are left.
And now that we're getting deep into the challenge, we brought them all oatmeal for dinner. You know, we gotta see who wants it more.
We're eating this oatmeal on this big pile of money right here. The oatmeal is not good though.
Oatmeal, psychological torture.
The boys lost 16 people to the oatmeal. The girls, on the other hand, only lost 4.
Do you guys enjoy your food?
And I don't like raisins.
And how many raisins did you have in your bowl?
About 20. It is almost dead even. This is crazy.
We are all so close to each other. I look to my left, person. Look to my right, toes.
Throughout the first night, 7 boys and 9 girls left. The boys must have gotten better sleep than the girls.
Our goal today is just to be louder and better than the boys.
3, 2, 1.
Morning. These are the troopers that survived the first night. Do you want to know how many boys are left? I'll go count them. I'll be right back. I'm not coming back. 62 of you survived the night. Look at you guys. Do you guys want to know how many girls are left? Okay, I'm going to go count them. I'll be right back. I'm not coming back.
I don't know why, but the boys were actually excited for their oatmeal. The girls, on the other hand, were not.
Oatmeal. You're gonna tell me that's good.
The contestants were getting pretty bored at this point, so the girls started creating stuff with the money. They made a money jump rope, money hopscotch. They even made these little money dolls. And the boys, well...
What is going on? Mr. Beast, forgive us for our sins.
People were getting out in all sorts of ways. Some people got out on accident, some couldn't handle the pressure, and this girl got out to literally save another contestant's cat.
My cat will die.